If you are starting an Etsy shop in 2024, one of the best products you can create to get immediate sales is personalized products. But there are specific products you need to target that can help you get sales right now. So in today's video, I'll share with you what products you need to create to help you get these personalized items in your shop to start making sales today on Etsy. I'm gonna share this all with you coming up next. So the main tool that we're going to use today to help us with our product research is Everbee. Now, Everbee is a great tool to use to show you data to help you actually make the best decision in regards to what products you sell. And with the Google Chrome extension, you're able to see all of this data right on Etsy, so it can be quicker for you to see which products you need to target. Now, if you want to try out Everbee on your own, they will also kind of give a discount code in my description box below to help you get started and to test this out to see if it is best for your print-on-demand business. I'll make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below. All right, so with that being said, let's jump into my computer and I'll share with you these top trending products you need to start selling right now on Etsy. All right, so the first niche we're going to look at is the personalized or custom mom shirt. In our case today, this shirt says mama and it has a personalized text on the front, which is adding in the children's name, and it's being connected by this little heart here. Now, if I go into Everbee and look at this data, we can see this product sold over 180 times in the past 30 days. And in the lifetime of the listing, it has sold over 1,000 times and it's only been around for 9 months. So we know people are jumping on Etsy and purchasing these type of products here. And I think there's a lot we can do in regards to adding more variation to this. We can bring in some seasonality with our design itself. But just looking at this basic text design, this is a great place to start if you are trying to create a product or a customized product in the mom niche. We see this custom mom shirt doing well also. Again, bestsellers badge, 20+ people in the cart. And it's taking upon that same type of theme here, having the mama in the background, utilizing some retro leopard text. But we still have that same theme, having the personalized names here in the middle. Again, I think this is adding great variation. We can learn from the listing and adding some different variations of actually putting the mom's name, even changing into a different person like grandma or auntie and adding in some personalized names here. But we know this product is doing extremely well. If I go into Everbee to see some additional data, this product sold 39 times in the past 30 days and has received almost 400 sales in the lifetime of listing. And this product also has been around for 9 months. So I think this is also a great product to create. Again, notice how they took a different approach in regards to adding in this unique style of text in the back here. But I think utilizing this type of layout and adding in our own different styles can make our product stand out even more. Now, this is a unique twist on the products we saw so far. This t-shirt here is bringing in a popular phrase, boy mama. And of course, anything we're talking about today, you definitely want to do your trend research and make sure that whatever text is involved or whatever phrase is involved, it's not trademark. And I jumped over to USPTO just to put in this phrase, boy mama, just to make sure this phrase is not trademark. And though we have some phrases here on our database, you can see here that the status of this is actually dead. So this is good for us to use in our design. And so we definitely want to trademark check everything that we're utilizing so that we can be in good standing with Etsy. But again, as you can see here, we don't have any text that start off with boy mama. We have the opposite here, but we do not have what we're focusing on, which is a boy mama design. So this is a great design to use. We can see, of course, this is going to be target to a mom of boys. Obviously, it's bringing in the color blue in its different palettes. And again, we have boy mama here. I think we could do a lot more to this to bring in some variations. But again, we can see this text in the front here, boy mama, and we're adding in that same unique style here that has worked in other places, 2 names attached to a heart, and we have that being done here. Again, this is a best-selling product. 14 people viewed it in the past 24 hours. And if I open this up in Everbee, you will see here that this product is fairly new, only been around for 2 months. Again, in the lifetime of the listing, sold 54 times, and in the past 30 days, it has received almost half of the entire sales, which is 33. And we know this product is only going to increase the closer we get to Mother's Day. Now, when we talk about boy mama like this, I think there's some different variations we can add in here, just not with this type of text. But if you see this design here, it's taken upon this floral design in the text itself. And of course, we see the same thing being done here. The personalized names on the bottom. In the middle of each name, there's a heart connecting all of the kids' names together. But see how we had a different style with this text as opposed to this text here. I think bringing in this different variation with boy mama here can be a great way for us to actually customize these designs. And when you think about our next niche that we're going to get into, which is the sport mom niche, we can actually make these texts stand out even more, utilizing some very cool sport designs in our main text. Just like in this style here, it is utilizing floral text. So here's a great example of what I mean by changing the text itself to add in mama here. And though we see the retro mama here with the football lightning, the main part of this design is just seeing how we can utilize different text to categorize just not the name itself, but also the number here. And we see this person is using the leopard style football design for the name as well as the number here on our design, which could be a great addition to these type of products here, which could be a great design change we can add to this overall style. And this brings us into our second niche here, which is the personalized sport mom niche. And this specific sport here is focusing on a basketball mom. But again, you can focus on any sports: volleyball mom, soccer mom. You can focus on softball mom. You can focus on cheer mom. So many different niches you can get into in regards to these products. So even if you see a shirt like this that says basketball mom here, just think about how this design can be changed and altered to fit a different sport niche for a different sports mom, and bringing that variations there. And that's how I see different type of products and how I try to cross niche when I see things that's doing well, just like in this space here. So this is a best-selling product. There's 20 plus people in the cart. And one thing to note as well, again, these are actually seasonal products. Of course, when basketball season is in, then of course the sales is going to be extremely high. And then when basketball season's over, then the sales may not be that high. So just think about this when you are creating different sport products. You definitely want to be mindful of the season and when you're listing these products so you can get the maximum amount of sales here. But this design is taking upon one of the trending things that's being done with sweatshirts, which of course is having a design on the sleeve. This product has only been around for 2 months, but as you can see here, it has received 87 sales. And just in the last 30 days, it has received 43 sales for this product. So here is an example of what I mean by creating a cheer shirt for a sports mom. Again, we see the team name here, and we see this personalization added on the back of the sweatshirt, which is a great placement for different type of designs. And we see the small little element focusing on the cheer sport here on the back of the sweatshirt as well. So again, as you can see here, these are truly micro niches, because again, when we narrow down what type of sport mom we want to focus on, this is where we're able to get sales. Again, best-selling product here, 20 plus people in the cart. We can open up the listing here and see in the last 7 months, this product sold over 250 times. And in the last 30 days, this product has sold 32 times. So huge opportunity for us here, just not to create this for a sweatshirt, but obviously we can take the same type of elements and designs here and add this to a t-shirt for us to start selling as well on Etsy. Now, there are a ton of opportunities for us to take one niche, going back to the basketball example here, and utilizing different type of designs here. But one of the things that we see that is all over our design trends is definitely focusing on that customization here. We can take a very basic design here, this basketball mom design, but what makes this product stand out for the customer is that opportunity again to add in some personalizations. And of course here we see that main trend of personalized items with the print on the sleeve, and this is something we can do for the sports niche, which has done well with this product here and with this product here as well. And when we do talk about creating a sports mom shirt, the personalized area can be just not on the sleeve, but it can also be in the pocket area of our designs here. So we see this shirt, it has a very cool phrase to it, in my sports mom era. Of course, we definitely want to be mindful of all things trademark to make sure this is not something that is found on the website USPTO. But the point here that we see this personalized item is on the pocket style of our design here. And of course, we can add in that specific name for that mom who want to add in a child's name here. Again, we can go into the listing a little bit further and see some additional data. Again, this product has been around for 3 months, 43 sales in a lifetime on a listing. And just in the last 30 days, this product has received 26 sales. And of course, these sales can always increase once it comes to peak time to that sports season. So we definitely want to focus on having these products ready to go before the season starts for the sport so that we can actually get some sales here and actually maximize on that opportunity. So the next niche we're going to get into is the custom grandma niche. We can see this shirt is doing extremely well here, and it's taken upon two specific design personalizations here, just not the names that we oftentimes see. But this shirt brings in different flowers here, focus on different birth months. So yes, we have the personalized names here, and we see this seller here make a note of that with these specific flowers here and how each flower is tied to a specific month. We see this product is doing well, has been around just for the last 9 months here, received almost 4,000 sales. And in the past 30 days, this product has received 400 sales. And again, we know anything that's tied to a mom, a grandma, or an auntie is going to do extremely well when we get to Mother's Day. And so we know this is a great product to create. And of course, we can add in some different variations here, just not having the flowers in the middle. We can have the flowers on the sleeve of our design. We can add in some retro style font designs here, but there's a lot of opportunity for us to utilize what works here and bridges over into different design areas, having some text on the back, of course, selling a sweatshirt, have some things on the sleeve here, but really bring out this overall interest that we see, obviously, Etsy shoppers are enjoying. We can see someone taking just the floral design itself here and creating this heart-shaped design with the kids' names or the grandkids' names here on the side of the heart, but still following that trend or that design style of flowers and adding it here. Obviously, this is a best-selling product, 20 plus people in the cart, but we can see some design changes we can add in here. Instead of just adding a specific heart, we can add in some bird flowers here to this overall heart design, and we can see two different design trends merging together to create something new. And this is what I mean by adding some value into a space that's obviously selling well, but bringing in a different variation that may not be represented in this space, but still focus on buyers' interest. The data proves that people are enjoying these type of products here, especially for the grandma niche. Again, this product has only been around for 6 months, but in the 6 months, it has accumulated over 1,000 sales. And just in the past 30 days, it has received almost 200 sales. And of course, we know, again, getting closer to Mother's Day, these products are just going to skyrocket in sales. Now, when we're talking about creating personalized items for the grandma niche, you don't have to go that crazy with your design styles because sometimes simple sales. And we saw the same thing with this mom shirt here, where it just simply says mama with the kids' names here in the middle. This same design has been merged over to a grandma shirt here or a grandma sweatshirt. We can see the grandkids' name here at the bottom of our design, still being separated by the heart. And this is what I mean by learning from other niches like this one here. We have the mama in the back with the text, kid's name separated by the heart, and we can merge this over into a different niche here. Grandma this time, but again, we have the grandkids' name being separated by the heart. Again, when you cross niche like this, you're able to see what people are buying in other spaces and how we can create this into our own unique design in a new niche. And even when we get to our new niche here, which is the teacher niche, we can see this same type of trend being done here. Again, we see the basic text for the teacher, and we see the personalized item or the personalized text here in the middle. And so when we look at this design here for the grandma, and then we see this design for the teacher, obviously we see a large similarities here. But again, if it works in one niche, it could also work in a different niche that all carry the same type of style that we can utilize in other spaces, and even add in some more variations to make our product stand out even more. And if I open up this data in Everbee, we can see this product has only been around for 5 months, but in the lifetime of the listing has received almost 2,000 sales with almost 300 sales in the past 30 days. So we know this design has worked, just not in the mom niche, not just in the grandma niche. But again, when you find what works in other niches, bring them into a new niche like this seller did here. And you can see the sales are proven buyer interest. Now, one of the things I also like to do when I am thinking about creating products is to look up different seasons and to see how are they utilizing personalization for a specific niche and season. So yes, we're focusing on a teacher. Yes, we're focusing on personalized items. But when we think about the season that's coming up, in our case today, it is Valentine's Day, then we definitely want to create a high quality listing for that specific season. Of course, we have a trending design that's doing well in other spaces, but they create this for a teacher and added in personalization here right in the middle. Now, knowing what we learned from other designs, I would take this design style here and I would add in some elements here from the Valentine's Day season over into this design style that is already proven to work well. We see the same thing being done here. It's taking in that specific season and focusing on a personalized teacher shirt. Customized teacher shirts, especially tying it in with the season, is a great product to sell on Etsy if you're thinking about selling customized or personalized products. So as you can see, finding these products is really easy to do with Everbee. And when you know exactly which products are selling well, you're able to push your focus on these designs to bring in something new into the Etsy marketplace. And if you are starting new, these are the best products to target to help you get quick sales. Now, in today's video, I didn't have time to go over how to actually create these products. However, if you want to learn that next step, click this next video here. And if you want to learn more about how to make income online, then consider subscribing to my channel here. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.